Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the shop. Today we got a couple of little things to do. I'm going to put some stickers on the race Jeep to rep my sponsors. That will be Taboo Customs. They always make great stuff, and I would say that even if he didn't sponsor me. I tell you what, because this stuff's awesome. Carolina Crawlers, they always let me come in there and film and go out there and have a good time riding around. Wally, he's got an awesome little park. If you guys are in the North Georgia area or in the Southeast, you need to go check it out. And I'm going to be putting my TorquePowerVideo stickers on there. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to figure out what's going on with the tire on this thing, because it keeps just going flat for whatever reason. I just filled it up last night to like 35 psi, and you guys can't see it. There you go. And it's already slack again. So got to figure out what's going on with that. So before I touch this thing, what I'm going to do is just wash it, just get all the mud and gunk off of it, so the tire will be a lot nicer to handle and I can see leaks easier. Plus I can put my stickers on. And then we got a Bronco that my sister inherited from my father, and we're going to balance the tires on it. I mounted them last week, but I didn't have a part for my balancer that I needed to fit those wheels. So now I got the part in, and we're going to balance those tires, and we'll see what else we can get into. Well, pressure washer just quit pressure washing on me, so let's see if we can figure out what's going on. That's not good. I'll be back. Well, that was easy enough. Somehow this thing just came undone. Lucky me. We're going to let that drip dry a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and take the Bronco, put it in the shop, take the wheels off of it, and balance those tires while we let this thing drip dry. Said I was a pro at this. All right, guys, Got the Bronco out, got the Cherokee back in. Let's get this front tire pulled off here and see why it's leaking air so bad. Like I said earlier in the video, if I don't edit that part out, I just aired this thing up to like 35 psi last night, and now it's already, you can see it's already going flat again. So something's up with it. We got to find the leak, so let's do that. All right, got all the mud and dirt rinsed off of the back side of it, so let's take it in there and air it up some more. All right. There went that one. Wow, we're just above zero, so since last night it's lost daggum near all 35 psi. I'm thinking I probably got some mud or something jammed in one of the beads. I'm hoping that's all it is, because that'll be an easy fix. All right, there we go. Now let's get some soapy water. Yep. You guys can probably see that right there. You can hear it, I'm sure, through the microphone there. All right, so right next to this wheel weight on this side, let's check the other side just to make sure it ain't leaking on both sides. That kind of sucked to fix it on one side and not the other, wouldn't it? Okay, good. I'm not seeing anything on this side. It was leaking right here. Okay, it's off all the way around. Good. Okay, well, I'm not really seeing much of anything that stands out to me. It does have a little bit of mud right there. I'll go ahead and clean that off real quick. And hopefully that's all it was. Oh yeah, there's some muddy stuff up in there, isn't it? Let me get a screwdriver and, or a brush. Yeah, we got a brush. All right. Okay, so hopefully that'll fix our problem. Okay, I really need a foot pedal for this, but I try to make do with what I can here the best way I can. There we go. All right. All right, let's see. Hopefully we got it fixed. It was leaking right here before. Awesome. I don't see any leaks now. Good. All right. Last thing we're going to do today is put my decals on. This is just some soapy water, just to clean the surface first. All right. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and wet the panel down. Remember, I said this is only soapy water. So And the reason why I put soap on the panel is so that I can reposition this sticker anyhow I want to. See how it moves around? Now, since I got it nice and straight, I can start squeegeeing out the water. And then it starts adhering to the panel. There we go. No bubbles. And it's perfectly level. No fancy tools. I'm just using an expired hunting license. And we're going to use the same technique for my logo sticker. Clean the door off. There we are. Wet the panel down, peel the sticker off, slap it on there. You guys know the drill. And I'm going to tell you something. I'm not going to bore you to death with doing the other side, but I'll tell you what I will do, if I can ever get this sticker peeled off of here. To the first person that hits me up at my email address at the bottom of the screen right now, if you'll go back and look at this video right here, I think I'm going to try to put it up above my head here. If you'll go back and look at that video, you'll see that I'm trying to give away a little cordless cutoff tool from HyperTough. And if you'll hit me up at my address, the first person that does, I'll send that thing to you. As long as you live in the lower 48 states, I'll send it to you for free of charge as a reward for hanging out with me and watching this entire video. So go ahead and hit me up right now. You never know, somebody else might be out there watching at the same time as you. Whichever one of you has the first date, or the earliest date rather, in that email, you're going to get the tool for free as long as you live in the lower 48 states. So hit me up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.